All right. If you want to use Gamma AI on your mobile phone, this step-by-step guide will show you how to create and edit content right from your device. First, open your mobile browser, like Chrome or Safari, and go to the Gamma website. Now sign in using your email or Google account. Yeah, the mobile version works just like desktop. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard. You can view or manage your existing projects here. Tap on Create New to start a new presentation, document, or web page. Now type your topic or idea. You know, something simple and clear works best. Tap Generate, and Gamma will create your content automatically. Yeah, it works smoothly on mobile too. You can tap any section to edit text, adjust layout, or make changes. Just like on desktop, but with touch controls, you can also add images or icons. Yeah, this helps improve your content even when working on your phone. Finally, tap Export or Share to download your content or send it as a link. And yeah, that's how you use Gamma AI on mobile. It's simple, flexible, and perfect for creating content on the go.